everyone, I am Aditi Garware, your caking and baking friend, and welcome to my channel Sweet Boutique by Aditi. It's winter time and my favorite vegetable is here, carrots. So let's make some carrot and walnut muffins today. Let's begin. So I am going to cream my butter, oil and sugar together. So let me add some butter into the bowl. So just in case if you want to use full butter, you can use full butter, or if you want to use full oil, you can even go in for full oil. I prefer using butter and oil combination. It gives me the best texture that I am looking at. Adding in some caster sugar. You can also use powdered sugar. Now I am going to cream this with a hand blender. So the oil, butter and sugar, they have amalgamated really well. I'm going to cream this a little further and then add in my dry ingredients. So this looks soft and creamy. Now let's add in our dry ingredients. So I have the maida over here and the baking soda. Let's sift it together. Let's add this in. Adding the baking soda. Let's sift this. Sifting gives good aeration to your muffins. Now with the help of a spatula, let's mix this together. And now let's add our liquid ingredient, that is the milk. Let's mix this further. Now adding in my vanilla essence. You can also use essences like cinnamon or cardamom, anything that you like with your carrots. You can also add in cinnamon powder and cardamom powder to make it spiced. Now let's add grated carrots. So if you see, the batter right now is a little stiff. That's because I am going to adjust the moisture with the moisture in the carrots. So now when I mix the carrots, you'll see the consistency changes absolutely. Let's mix this. You can see the consistency of the batter has changed after adding carrots. Now let's add some chopped walnuts. So you can toast your walnuts as well, so that's optional. Now I have already prepared the muffin tray with the cupcake liners. I am going to show you a beautiful trick to how to pipe the perfect muffins into your cupcake liners. So I'm going to take a glass, a piping bag. I'm going to fill in the batter into the piping bag. You can also scoop them into the cupcake liners, but I prefer piping it for better results. Chopping off the tip of the piping bag. Let's start piping. So you can see how beautiful this looks. I'm going to fill my cupcake liners up to 3/4. Now I'm going to add in some walnut pieces on the top. So I am going to bake these at 160 degrees Celsius for approximately 15 to 20 minutes or until the skewer comes out clean. I always prefer preheating my oven. I preheat my oven at the same temperature at which I bake. So let's go and bake these. So these look so good. I can already smell the aroma of it. and I can't wait to dig into these. So these have got the perfect top, hence my tip of piping your cupcake batter. So I'm going to cool these muffins on the cooling rack for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, and then they're ready to be served. So let's plate them now, and they are ready to be relished. So for more such recipes, do follow my channel Sweet Boutique by Aditi. Do like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for the wonderful support that you all have been showering upon me. Until then, bye.